All right, video part 2 of video 2. Anyways, we got this parabola, and given x's and y's, just like in the book. Let's say that there's 2, 1, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, -3, or -3. And you're asked a couple questions about this. Okay, you want to find the equation of the parabola here. Okay. And actually, let's make this more interesting. No, let's not. I'm not going to make it out off the top of my head. So there's a couple ways of doing this. The first way to do it is to kind of look at the symmetry, right? So right here, axis of symmetry is always of the form x equals a number. It's always the x coordinate. It's a vertical line, your axis of symmetry. And it's where it's symmetric about. So if you look at this, look at the y values, right? We have symmetry on these y values. What are they centered around? They're centered around when x is 2. Okay, so that tells us that the vertex is at that point. It's 2, and then what is the function value when x is 2? The function value is 1. And now the question is, what is our value of a? And this just becomes very similar to example 4. Okay, so we don't know a. So we're going to go check it out. So we know that f of x is going to be a, which we don't know yet, x minus h, which is 2, squared plus k, which is 1. And again, we have a bunch of points. We can use any of them. I'd like to use one of these points with zeros. So I like this point, 1, 0. You can use other points too. So when x is 0, y is 1. Sorry. When x is 1, y is 0. 0 is equal to a times 1 minus 2 squared plus 1. And just solve for a. It's going to be a times 1 minus 2 is -1 squared. Square -1. You get +1. Okay, so again, subtract 1 from both sides. A is going to be -1. So that tells us our formula right here. F of x. It's going to be a, which is -1. You can include the -1, or you don't have to write the 1. You can just have the negative. X minus 2 squared plus 1. All right. Jury's still out on the internet. Okay. But there you go.